Welcome everyone. MW here. We're gonna do a vid today, market update, US 500, Bitcoin, where we're heading, what's going on, what's not going on. We're gonna talk about some crypto gems, low cap, risky, top risky gems from the retail fam. Not my choice, the choice of the retail fam. I just liked it. Past life. We're gonna talk about it today. So we're also gonna talk about something else. I've changed my Twitter name, I changed my YouTube channel name, and well, it's just temporary because I've been asking yesterday the retail fam to choose a name for me, and I have to say, I chose one. So we're first gonna work about the new logo. We're gonna work about maybe even a new profile pic that I'm going to choose. So a lot is going on, and a lot of people are working on it now because I've been having some help from some specialized crypto marketing, YouTube, SEO, whatever. You know, just like shared on my Twitter yesterday. You know, everyone is good at the thing that he does. I'm good in analyzing markets, knowing when to be bearish, knowing when to be bullish, when to get in, when to get out. It's maybe the most important thing to own as a skill, because that's what makes you the most money. And there are also marketing and social media specialists. That's not my specialty, and that's why I also have been laying a bit behind in the growth that I made on as well as Twitter as on YouTube, because it's just not my thing. And I have to be honest, I didn't care about it. I just didn't care about it. But the problem is that if you want to reach a lot of retailers to open up their eyes how dangerous it is in trading, leverage trading, in investing, and when to get your money out, when to get your money in, instead of following just any ordinary influencer out there that's just telling you just buy. I have to do something on my social media, and I have to do something on my YouTube channel, and that's the only way to reach as much as possible. And I want to thank everyone that has been DMing me, tipping me, and sending me funds for the social media manager. So I want to thank everyone that has been sending me. We're still working on something. The team is also collecting a lot of money out of the gains they make, and they are sending it to that wallet address. So thank you very much to those. Special shout out to you guys that made a lot of gains and have been tipping me for it, for growing our YouTube channel. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys something, because my buddy Bash, he had some suggestions yesterday. Well, this is my channel, Crypto Killers. This is going to change, by the way. In 2 weeks this will change. So how to get into the free private group, to get the indicator and to get into the free private groups. A lot of questions. So he told me, why don't you just make a vid about it? And I'm going to make a vid about it. It's just an entry and then we'll go on. So how to get into the private, very simple. Just go over here and then you click on more. And when you click on more, you'll get over here. Free private group requirements, active trading on weeks, OKX, volume, etc. So this is just, everything is described over here. So this is where you find the information. And when you get over here, you've got, the team and I have been working a long time to choose 2 exchanges for retailers to feel safe and to be safe trading over there with the best futures, low fees, etc. So Weeks is for the non-KYC traders that are also located in the United States and Canada, because they are licensed over there. So non-KYC, a lot of retailers, they don't like the KYC. They just like to trade non-KYC. Well, if you don't like the KYC, Weeks is the way to go. Just go to Weeks. It's, in my opinion, the most safe. I made a tutorial about Weeks, by the way. Go check it out. But Weeks is the best non-KYC exchange out there. And yesterday I also shared on Twitter the currency that is most traded by now is the won, or the kwan, I don't know, the currency from Korea. And guys, I told you this before. The real high volume traders are the Koreans. These guys are really sick. These guys trade on very high leverage, and they move markets. So that's why it's very important to follow these guys. And I think that at Weeks I'm at the right place to keep tracking those guys. So that's about Weeks. OKX, guys, is the second biggest exchange in the world, in my opinion. The second, also on volume, on futures. They've got so much going on. So Guys, I'm giving you guys two exchanges. Those are the best exchanges out there. If you want the non-KYC one, Weeks is the way to go. If you want the OKX one, biggest exchange out there. So what else do you want me to share with you? So these are the two best. So if you want to join the free private, you have to choose. And over here, Weeks, you just click on it, you get to this page. It's loading, yeah. And then over here, look at this, guys. It's already my referrals order. So the only thing you have to do, email address and your password, this and that, and then it's done. And it's for OKX, it's the same. Just click on this one, open up account, the referral is already over there, get an account, fund it, start trading, send me your UID, I will get you into the private. Today I made the long-awaited trading course vid 5.0, and I can tell you I'm receiving some DMs from the private group members, and they're really blown away from this trading vid, because I'm showing these guys what traders don't show them, because the real traders are not on YouTube, they're not on X. You know, I've been checking some influencers this week. They're showing a lot of crap about whatever out there. Meme coins, new project, new platforms, whatever. Everything. The thing that they need to show you is how to protect your funds. Is it time to buy in? Is it the time to sell? Nobody is saying anything about it. And I understand why they don't say anything about it. Because when markets go up, they're all over the YouTube channels, are all over Twitter, all over everything, TGs, whatever. Yes, buy, we're going to the moon, we made you rich, we told you this, we gave you this, we gave you that. And now when your altcoin backs are 50, 60% lower, now they're nowhere to be found, and they're talking about a lot of shit. And they're all gathered over there in Dubai. A lot of rain, so they're getting pretty wet over there, and they're celebrating it's, guys, come on. I really was planning on going to Dubai. It's just some personal reason that I couldn't go to Dubai. And you know, I'm very glad that I didn't go, by the way, with all the rain and all the floods that are going on over there. But you know, there was one guy, he DM'd me, he told me, MB, why did you come to Dubai? We were so excited for you to come, and we were so excited to talk about a lot of new business, etc. Bro, when I come to Dubai, who is going to share the charts? Who is going to help the retailers that are stuck in their red bags? Who's going to do that? Well, no, you can do it from here, from the hotel room. No, I'm not going to do that from my hotel room. I'm gonna do that from my own freaking desk. And when the time comes and markets are up and retailers are safe, that's when I will be going to any event out there. And I will come to the next event. I know it for almost 100% sure. So for now, guys, this is what happens in the free private. First of all, this is no signal group. This is no signal group. I share sometimes over here what the team is doing. If they're going short, if they're going long, how the market is. What I'm showing you guys over here in the free private group, I show you the most important charts. I'm trying to make you guys professional traders. I'm giving you all the charts to look over here, the KRE this morning, the VIX, the NVIDIA, and why you should look at NVIDIA, how it's related to AI coins, etc. Oil, how oil is going. And this vid made today, it's really mind-blowing. I'm really getting so much positive feedback because I'm sharing alpha over here. This is no shilling, this is no trilling, no killing. This is free. The only thing that you have to do, the team requires that you have to be trading on OKX or Weeks, and the links are below. So if you want to join us, that's the way to go. And the indicator, don't keep killing my balls about. I'm getting some DMs. Can we get around it? Can we offer you 100 bucks? Can we offer you 200 bucks? Can we give you 300 bucks? Just give us the indicator. Why? Why would you want to pay me for an indicator? Just open up an account, start trading. If you're trading on any other exchange out there, what's the difference between trading over there and trading on OKX or on Weeks? What's the difference? In my opinion, there is no difference. But if by any means there is a difference for you, please let me know in the comment below, because I'm very curious about why certain retailers are willing to pay me 100, 200, 300 bucks for an indicator while they can get it for free. if they trade on weeks or hours. So I really don't care. So that's about that, guys. I'm not going to talk much more about that one. I wanted to say something else. What did I want to talk about? Yes, my Twitter account. Yes, this one, guys, this chart total, I shared it in the morning. This is bullish. You know, I don't share a lot of bullish things. So when I share something bullish, you'll see 42 likes, 12 reposts. You know what this means? This means that a lot of retailers, they are very sensitive to bullish things. And I know that if I would be a FOMO bull, I know that I can gain a lot more engagement and a lot more likes and a lot more subscribers everywhere if I would be the one that's telling you we're going to the moon. Because you can see all my, I'm not going to say competitors, because I really have no relations to those marketing experts, because that's how I see them. 99% are marketing experts. I'm no marketing expert. I'm a trader. That's what I do. And when I'm a trader, I'm objective. I have to tell you the truth. And when it's bullish, it's bullish. When it's bearish, I have to say it's bearish. I cannot tell you it's bullish, because why? I'm not gaining. I'm not losing anything. I'm just telling you the objective truth from which I think will be the best for you to make gains or save yourself from getting losses. So that's what I do. So first of all, I'm going to take a breath because I'm talking very fast today and a little bit of emotions in my voice also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds to push the like if you like the content, and leave a comment below, and I'll be back, and then we'll be diving in to the market updates. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for the likes and the comments. I really, guys, you have to know, I like every comment you make, and I read every comment anyone makes in these vids. And Bash and my buddy Tom, they were talking yesterday, and they told me, listen, we are also liking the comments on your YouTube channel, and we're sharing as much as we can. Because why? Because we saved ourselves from getting wrecked, and we made money by following your analysis, and we want to give back. And how to give back is they do their best in reposting, liking, commenting. Really much appreciated, not only to Bash and Tom, to everyone who has been supporting me to grow my channel, because the content is better than any out there. But the problem is we are not reaching a big public, because the marketing machine, they all took them already. So let me jump into the markets. Okay, what is this? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, congrats to everyone from the private that has been shorting TIA from the 20 regions. And you guys know I responded to I'm not even gonna talk about it. Well, we just nilled, and I told you so. Well, I promised you to see it soon. 50% lower from what I told you team was shorting. Guys, these are all facts. I never ever remove a tweet on Twitter. Never. I'm just showing you guys over and over again who the trader is and who the shiller is. Well, okay, let's jump into the markets, because I want to jump into the markets. Guys, first of all, let me go to the US 500. Guys, we lost the Indy on the daily. So, I don't know if you guys have watched the Fed yesterday. Powell has been talking, and he has been hawkish like F. He was really hawkish, and these guys, especially Powell, Powell disappointed me very much in December, when he was out of the sudden he became bullish on the markets. Out of the sudden, it just like this, and we're going to cut rates and this and that. And I thought to myself, oh my God, what is this guy doing? He has been saying in an interview 2-3 weeks ago that he was feeling some pressure from the Biden administration, and he didn't like that, or whatever, something like that. Don't just go watch it. But yesterday they were very clear. Inflation, stagflation is here, and it's rising, and it's something to be worried about. So the rate cuts, well, they were calculating like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rate cuts this year. Well, maybe we're not gonna get any rate cut this year. So the markets are responding to this. This is the response that we're seeing from the markets based on that news, and it's also a little bit of the tensions in the Middle East. But you know, I told you guys before, this was a correction. This is a bigger correction. So it's really a lot of FOMO going on over here. This is a bubble in my opinion, but everyone knows that already. So for me now, this stays the same. But you know, on these bounces, when you know we lost it, we retested it, and it tries to bounce on. So let me put it on the 4 hours so you can see it better. So listen, it's getting to the 4 hour rejected, 4 hour rejected, 4 hour rejected. So you know, nothing goes up in one line, nothing goes down in one line. It's always chopping around, and a lot of leverage is getting flushed out. So the late shorters over here, they will get punished over here. And then over here, the longs, the greedy longs will get punished again on the way down. So it's just, the game is all built on leverage. So that's why candles go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And as long as Bitcoin and crypto keeps following these trends, you have to be patient. If you are a spot trader, if you are just waiting for good price, you have to be patient, because as long as this thing stays below the daily indicator, over as long as we're gonna range over here, what you're probably is going to see is we lost it, we came back and then down again, and then we come up again, and then we make a lower low, and then we go up again, and then we go down, and over here we'll probably head into the previous all-time high. That's just how markets work. Let me make it a bit more visible. Oh, go away. Let me make it a bit better so you guys can see. In downtrend, this is how it works. Correction, come up, lower high, come up, lower low, until we break this system and make a new high, and that's when you can see maybe we're gonna head into this regions over there. So that's how it works. So for now, as a trader, especially if you're a short-term trader, scalp trader, leverage trader, you have to know and understand these moves, because if this thing, if you know, you have to know when to be bullish, when to be bearish, and you know, on a bigger time frame, it's just you wait until this thing makes a nice dump. And the same on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we are waiting for this box over here. We're waiting that we come back for this box. That's just what we're waiting for as spot traders. So spot traders, we're waiting for this box to get filled. So this thing needs to do something like that, and that's when I already shared this. That's when we will probably get a very good buying opportunity for altcoins to make a strong bounce and make a lot of money. So we're waiting for that. But if you're scalp trading, if you're leverage trading, you're shorting, you're longing, you have to understand the mindset from how charts work and how markets work. So for now, it's not only going down, going up, because the US 500, as you guys can see, it's trying again. It's trying. 2 daily candles in the red. So is there another one coming? Because I like always to watch history. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 2 now. Over here we got 2, and then big bounce up. So, but there is a big difference between price action above the indicator and price action below the indicator. So for now, if we somehow manage to get into the 51.30 ranges, that's when you have to be cautious. This is if on the daily. But if we don't reach it, because if you put it on the 4 hour, over here is where your next level is, at the 51. So we're not even that far away. So if this thing comes up and gets rejected over here, let me show you. If we come up here and we get rejected and we're gonna make a lower low, Bitcoin will probably also dump back to the 60k levels and maybe even break it this time. So as much I understand, guys, people are impatient. You need to have patience. So okay, enough about this. I'm gonna talk about some altcoins. Because I promised them that I would check them, and I've checked them, and let me go and find them. So I want to talk about some altcoins. Where did I put them? Top blower. Where is it? No, it was not over here. Where did I put them? Where did I put those? Yeah, over here it was. So first of all, we had this MW. This MW, it's supposed to be a project that is doing the same like VeChain, in my opinion, something like that. I don't know what it is exactly, so you have to do some research. I'm just research about it. I'm just showing you guys the charts, and the chart is very simple, guys. If you would be interested in this low cap gem, because I have to, let me check the market cap for you guys again. MW. It's not showing. Why is it not showing? Oh, there is no, why is it not showing? I have to find, where is it? Where are you? 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 Okay, I cannot find them. I cannot find let me see coin market cap, because it's not showing on Masario. That's very strange, and I don't like coins that are not showing anything on Masario, because that gives me a red flag. That gives me a red flag, guys. When something is not on Masario, I get a bit nervous. I get a bit nervous. I want these coins. What is this? And oh, this is really a low cap chap, guys. So for the one that, forget about it, forget about this one. I'm going to the next one. Venry, guys. Venry. You know, it's a red flag for me when something is not on Masario. I really don't like that. When Masari is not showing. By the way, guys, Masari.io, that's in my opinion the best reliable platform to check volume, to check altcoins, some information, etc. It gives you the best information, in my opinion. It's just my opinion, so everyone do your own research. There's also no need to use or take a paid version of Masari.io. The free version is just enough. You can get all the information out there. So this was this one. I'm really liking this Venry. This Venry is a 209 million market cap, and I really like Venry. So we hit this zone over here. I want this to get hit. I want this one to get hit. You see this? I want this one to get hit. So I will probably buy some Venry, guys. Do your own research, no financial advice, but I will probably buy some Venry. The MW, forget about that one. I really have no, I need more information about that, because it's not on Masari. I don't, when I can't check the volume and I can't check the market cap, I'm a bit cautious about those projects. So forget about MW, because I cannot find, let me check, did I maybe make a mistake? MW, no, there's no, so forget about MW. So Venry, guys, Venry is the one, is the only gem that I'm looking for now. 200 million. It already made a 666 correction of 61 to 60. Oh my God, almost 70%. So if this thing will come back and make a correction of 70, 80%, I will be buying. So in this box, guys, check it. Look at it. Venry, guys, Venry in this box, I'll be really interested in buying some. So everything on the 10 cent to the 8 cents, I will be interested in buying some Venry, because I know Venry. I just forgot about what they did exactly, but I've done some research on Venry, and Venry is really a coin that I'm liking. And there was another one. There was Velo. Velo is also, so Velo and Venry, guys, those are the two gems that I'm really eyeing. Velo and oh, Velo is already pumping today, 13%. Oh, nice. Velo is also a coin that I'm eyeing for now. So guys, I'm not gonna make this vid any longer. I will make another vid about altcoins because we're doing a lot of research on a lot of altcoins. There are some guys, they're fundamentally very strong and they're doing their research on altcoins. So I'm waiting for the YouTube channel to get its new face, and from there on I'm gonna also create some new playlists from where I will be sharing my market updates and where I'll be sharing my altcoin updates, and we're also going to work together to show you guys new gems. These are not gems that I'm going to say that just jump into, but the gems that are in pre-sale, ICOs, new projects. There will be also placements, so there's a lot going to change on my YouTube channel. It's going to be a lot of market updates for the ones that really are trading, scalping, leverage trading, so they know bullish, bearish, long, shorts. Those ones will be shared. I'm gonna do another section for altcoins, and I'm gonna do a third section that will be from vids I will be making in talking about new projects and what I think about them. And well, let's see. So there are a lot of things going on. And by the way, we're still looking for someone that is really want to partner up with the MW community and want to grow with us together. And he has to be having skills on social media. So social media skills, if you want to partner up with us and you have some new ideas and you want to work together with the MW in the MW community, the team, send me. There is an email. You can find my email. It's on my YouTube channel, or you can DM me on my X. And if you want to partner up with us and you want to grow together with us and the retail army, you're most welcome. Push on the like, leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.